I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to do the 90 FPS and 120 FPS support test in the Realme X1 Max by playing the game which is called the Blur Stars, as you can see friends. So this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular gameplay testing in the Realme X1 Max. So as you can see, it's a comment exactly I got, as you can see friends. So there are a couple of issues which is going on with the Realme X1 Max. Basically, some of the games which are actually supported with the 120 FPS, but we cannot see the real-time FPS 120. Yes, that's true. So in case if you want to know that more information, try to watch this video, friends. If you're planning for the gaming purpose, watch this video before actually buying for the gamers, really friends. So totally disappointed in terms of the gaming, but let's see whether this game will be able to support the 120 FPS or not, at least the 90 FPS. That is what I'm trying to check. Let me just quickly show you exactly what kind of refresh rate I'm trying to use. So right now I did try to use the 120 Hz, as you can clearly see friends, an exact variant, as you can see, and I'll try to use even the third-party FPS meter. I'll try to even test with the third-party FPS meter as a confirmation whether it's actually working or not. So in case if the default software, if it's kind of buggy, then definitely we'll be able to know by using the third-party FPS meter. So let me just start the game right now. So here is the game which I'll be starting right now. Let's see friends. So one more thing, I'll try to even use the Poco X3 as well. So here's the Poco X3 for the comparison sake. I'll try to even show you whether this game actually supports or not. Let's see what is happening. As you can see friends, right now you can see only 60 FPS. You cannot see any kind of 90 FPS or 120 FPS in this Realme X1 Max. Clearly, as you can see friends. So overall, right now I did not get my update. So maybe with the latest update, this might be able to get fixed, but still I'm waiting for my update to come. So maybe once I get the update, I will be able to do that video. But right now, my phone is not getting 60 FPS. That's totally disappointed friends. For the gamers, I'm really worried about the gamers only, because they will be buying the phone expecting the phone will be able to play 90 FPS and 120 FPS, but that's not the case. The software optimization is not that great, so maybe we need to get that kind of update which will be fixing. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm getting 109 FPS, 110 FPS in the Poco X3. This is the normal Poco X3 friends, not the X3 Pro. This is a normal Poco X3 which I am having for the past few months, and which has a Snapdragon 732G processor which has 120 Hz refresh rate, and you can play 120 FPS without any problem. As you can see, it's kind of more than 100 FPS I'm getting, as you can see friends. So that's clearly a disadvantage in terms of the Realme X1 Max. So as I said, let me try to use the third-party FPS meter. If you want to test with the third-party FPS meter, even I can do that for you all. Let me try to quickly connect the third-party FPS meter, and I'll be back again. So right now I did connect the third-party FPS meter, and on the top you will be able to see the FPS meter clearly. As you can see friends, right now I'm getting only 50 FPS and 57 FPS. So not much more than that. As you can clearly see, 58 FPS, 55. Can clearly see friends. Sorry for that, I was unable to do more than this big FPS meter, but you can get a clear idea what is going on in this game, in this phone right now, Realme X1 Max. At this point, as you can see, 52 FPS and 57 FPS. So totally you cannot play with the 90 FPS and you cannot play with the 120 FPS in this Realme X1 Max, unfortunately. Yes friends, you cannot play with this kind of game. So maybe even with the other games as well, I did try, but I was unable to play the game. But let me just show you exactly version which I am trying to run right now, the software version. The update which we got, A.15. So I'm waiting for that A.15 exactly to receive. As soon as I get the update, maybe I will be able to test all the followings and all the requirements whatever you asked for me to test. So stay tuned for more updates friends, and thank you for watching this video. And the final conclusion is that the phone needs a lot of optimization, a lot of software updates to fix all these kind of issues for the gamers, mainly for the gamers. That's totally disappointed in terms of the gamers. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.